How to pin someone on Snapchat. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to pin someone on Snapchat. S- So with no further ado, let's get into this. So first is you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in Snapchat. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to update. You have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Snapchat application is updated. And if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So first is you have to open the Snapchat application. As you can see here, you will be directed to the camera here. And on the bottom part, you will see map, chat, scan, stories, and spotlight. You have to click on chat there. And here you will see all the conversations you had using the applications, all the contacts, all the people there. Now, all you have to do is to pick someone or the account that you want to pin. So let's say we want to pin this person. So all you have to do is to long press that person's name and this will actually come out. On the previous update on Snapchat, you could see a pin on the upper right beside that person's name. But now the Snapchat has another type of pin. So let's go next to the chat settings and you will see pin shortcut to home screen. So you will be able to pin that person on your home screen or you could put that person's name on shortcut to your home screen. So let's say pin shortcut to home screen and as you can see I've already pinned that person to the shortcut to home screen. So let's click on done and let's go back to home page and if we long press the Snapchat application you will see the shortcut of that person's name and if you click on that you will be directed to your conversation and basically that is how you pin someone on Snapchat. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section and have a great day.